Hi, I'm architect Mitul Shukla from Mass and Void Architects, Interior and Landscape Consulting.
Hi, I'm architect Shaili Shukla from Masinwad Architects, Interior and Landscape Consulting.
So, I would like to share our thoughts regarding the use of the different material, where we will initiate with the details of the ply, where ply we use in different ways in different areas. So, residential, office, mall.
Theaters, it plays basically a crucial role in the entire interior designing process because that is the main part of the interior work that we do. A structure that has been constructed on site and the uses of the interior, the cupboards, the finishes and all, it all depends on the plywood that we use.
So the design feature for required for a good ply or a good ply product. So it's consistent, the quality and the termite proof.
Yeah, it has to be waterproof as well because right now that is the main feature that goes on. Termites can be still treated, but waterproofing is the main part that has to be included. And also, it needs to be flexible enough to mold it into whatever shape we want as an interior perspective.
And the most important thing, less emission.
Soft finishing.
So now I'll talk about Saburi ply. So why I prefer Saburi, why we prefer Saburi rather as a team. So first is they are majorly BIS certified and quality in the premiumness.
And the quality that they provide, it is waterproof, it is termite proof, it is flexible, it is calibrated. So whatever finishes that we apply on a plywood that we need for a better interior and a likable interior, it is very easy for us to use.
Saburi ply contribute excellent features in our project, like it's 100% caliber, 100% proof ply, where we can apply different materials and that supports our interior to enhance the product.
Wherever we need a quite a tall door or whatever it is, it's structural stability. If we want to make a shelf or something that needs to have some load on it, it's very easy to use Saburi because of its structural stability and the certificates that they provide for us.
The product durability is excellent, okay, with the humidity controlled and everything is there, plus the stability which provided in the waterproof product are more superior than other brands which we feel.
Also, because it is marine proof, it has quality, so it can be used for exterior purpose also, which is very good as a brand. We can say that it's a very nice quality to have, so that we don't have to think twice as to what all finishes and all we will be able to put on a plywood, or how we will be able to design it in a different manner.
So I'll talk about the collaboration or a bonding with the company Saburi. They are more like my close friend circle, not like a vendor. The most important thing when we work in business, we work on trust, and Saburi provide that trust to us, and it is never breached in any condition. So we trust the brand in a different way.
Also, because of its sustainable quality, that they plant around 1 million saplings a year for all the trees they cut because of our use and our need. It's very much in likable thing for the entire world. We can say that environmental friendliness is also there.
I'll talk about some of our project where we have used Saburi ply. It's residential and the commercial property, and still there is no complaint from client. The products are still used there in intact condition. There is no complaint. So the project life is almost more than 5 to 6 years, which is really a good result, and we look forward with Saburi to grow in the same manner or maybe a much more manner than this.
And I would also like to mention that the finishes that we have put on those plywood are still intact. It's only because of the quality of the plywood, not because of the quality of the finishes. it does play an important part, the finish quality of the finishes, but plywood also plays a much more important part, which is very nice about Saburi ply.
So I'll explain something about my satisfaction towards Saburi. So I'm a customer. As a designer, I'm also their customer, and my customers are also their customers, and even my design team is their customers. So we never fail to see that there is a problem in the ply, there is a problem in this thing. We never heard this kind of complaint from any of our client or any of my team member. Even myself, I have never come to this kind of things.
It basically makes the entire project maintenance free, which is the main aspect of a project which needs any residential project, especially, or any office building, any offices that you see, it has to be maintenance free. So that is the main aspect it fulfills for us.